Are you supposed to be going taking a nap? Did I put you down for your nap already? And then I came back in the room and this is what you were doing? Are you just getting out all your energy? Oh yeah? Is that right? Is that right? What are you doing? Look at all this energy you have. How do you have all this energy? It's nap time. It's nap time. Silly boy. Yeah? When are you going to go down for your nap? When are you going to lay down? When are you going to lay down so I can take a nap? That's funny. Okay, I'm going to leave now and I want you to go to sleep, okay? I love you. I've already given you your milk and read you your story and sang you your song. So it's time to go to bed. Good. Good. Okay. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. Okay, I love you, Andrew.